Breaking news, a sudden swing in the stock market, all tied to a little something called the Consumer Price Index. But what is this economic indicator, and how does it hold such sway over the fortunes of Wall Street? Buckle up, because we're about to dive into the thrilling world of macroeconomics. To start, the Consumer Price Index, or CPI, measures the average change over time in the prices paid by urban consumers for a market basket of consumer goods and services. Think of it as a barometer for inflation, tracking the cost of everything from a loaf of bread to a new car. Now you might be wondering, how does the CPI affect stocks? Well, it's all about expectations. When inflation is low, as measured by the CPI, it often leads to lower interest rates. Lower interest rates make it cheaper for businesses to borrow and invest, potentially leading to higher profits and, you guessed it, higher stock prices. Conversely, when the CPI is high, indicating high inflation, interest rates might rise to keep the economy from overheating. This could make borrowing more expensive for businesses, potentially reducing profits and causing stock prices to fall. But remember, the stock market is not just influenced by the CPI. It is a complex system affected by myriad factors, from political events to natural disasters. So while the CPI is an important tool for understanding economic trends, it's not the only one in the toolbox. To recap, the CPI is a measure of inflation, tracking the cost of a basket of consumer goods and services. It can impact stock prices by influencing interest rates. Low inflation, as indicated by a low CPI, can lead to lower interest rates, potentially boosting stock prices. On the other hand, high inflation, signaled by a high CPI, can result in higher interest rates, which could depress stock prices. But always bear in mind, the stock market is influenced by a multitude of factors, and the CPI is just one piece of the puzzle. Stay tuned for more insights into the fascinating world of finance, where numbers tell stories and the unexpected is always just around the corner. Like and subscribe. Be sure to leave a comment. Thank you for watching.